Oh my gosh, this is weird. It's snowing on a Friday afternoon, and we just got out of school a few minutes ago, and that's because it was snowing before we're getting a snowstorm. I was in geometry class, and I just heard the announcement about that, so at 12:45 we got out of school, and now heading home. Going to see, because the dogs are in. Oh man, look at all that snow. It's snowing like wildfire. It's amazing how things can happen, because it snowed last night, only a little bit. Now it's starting to snow up 4 inches. It's going to make me play in the snow. So that's what I'm about to do here. So let's see if we can see the dogs first. And man, look at all around. All that snow. Whew, man. Oh man. This is the weirdest day ever. Like the weirdest week, because got this. Alright, bad to peace out, homies.